The second part of the chorus of the track Bailar sounds busier than the first. To some extent, I was inspired by old James Blake tracks. He was using saw synths a lot, and he was also pitching vocal chops in interesting ways. So the guitar is omitted, and I use Vital again for saw synth. One of the two saw oscillators is varying the unison detune. Else, this is just one chord with the pitch bend wheel dropping the chord one octave down. This chord gets sidechained a lot by other beat elements. Then there's this element that also reminds me of James Blake's techniques, like when he used tremolo on a bass in Limit to Your Love. It is a part of the render of the synth in the verse. It is pitched down and heavily distorted. Then I added a few breakbeat elements to make it more busy. For the vocals, I used these parallel pitched voices, which also can be found on some of James Blake's records.